What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. This job was sent from an import shop, just so you know. Ryan, they sent this job from an import shop who does exhaust system. So hold on, ready? You ready? Look at this. What's wrong with this picture? See how the hangers are back this way?
Yes.
It should be more forward.
Is the car going to be done tonight, do you think? Because she's on the phone. I want to know if I should tell her to head over or
We should be able to get it done.
should I tell her to
Yeah, we have 30 minutes to change the oil and set the tow. Yeah.
That's all? Yeah.
Yep.
What are you saying you should do when you change that?
So anyway, welcome back. And then they wanted to show me what I had to do to fix the exhaust. Well, first I got to fix your installation errors because this exhaust system needs to be back. The hangers need to be straight up and down, not 1 inch out of kilter. And then we could figure out what's going on over here because this is not right either. Yeah, you can see this hanger here. See how far forward that is? It's not supposed to be like that. It's supposed to be back. All right, so let me get started on this. Exhaust guys are exhaust guys and other guys are not. That's why most body shop guys aren't mechanics.